Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Denny's French toast. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. We're talking about thick-cut bread, a few large eggs, and some whole milk. Next, we'll mix up a delicious batter. This includes a touch of vanilla extract and a hint of cinnamon for that classic taste. Finally, I'll guide you through the dipping process to ensure each slice is perfectly coated and ready for cooking. To create the perfect batter, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1/2 cup of whole milk in a shallow dish. Make sure it's thoroughly combined. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This blend gives our French toast its signature flavor. For the bread, choose a sturdy, day-old loaf, sliced about 3/4 of an inch thick. This prevents it from becoming soggy. Now for the cooking. Heat your griddle or a large skillet to a medium-low temperature, aiming for about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly butter or oil the surface. Carefully dip each slice of bread into your prepared batter, letting it soak for 10 to 15 seconds on each side. This ensures full flavor absorption. Place the soaked bread onto the hot griddle and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown. Once cooked, serve your delicious French toast immediately with your favorite toppings. Maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar are always great choices. If you're making a larger batch, you can keep the cooked slices warm in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit while you finish the rest. This ensures every piece is perfectly warm when served. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.